In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem of password saved in your Chrome browser non-accessible by Chrome without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to open up your Chrome browser. And then after you open up your Chrome browser, the next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on these three dots from the top. Then go ahead and make sure you scroll down right here, proceed to settings. And then here you go, scroll down right here until you get to this Google Password Manager. Some of your passwords are not accessible. Go ahead and click on that. Keep access to your password. Keep access to your password, export them now, update Play Store service, and then import them back to Google Password Manager as the case may be. All you have to do right here, the exported file may be accessible to others, including apps, once you export your password. What you need to do right here is to simply click on export your password. So go ahead and click on export password right here. Verify your identity. Click on continue. Then go ahead and click on save right here. And you are done. It's that simple. So by the time you click on it again, and then it's going to load all your password in your Chrome browser, just like what you see right here, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.